Okay, folks, we had a volcano erupt in Guatemala today, right on the edge of the Caribbean and Cocos Plates. So that's where we have the unusual geological event warning, and we've been telling you to keep your eye on that area for a while now. In Hawaii, for the third time in 2 months, a massive jellyfish washed ashore. Now, this isn't your normal jellyfish. This is a deep ocean dweller, and scientists say it's very rare to see. You might remember this chart. We talked about how, look at the blue line, which is the actual reading of sunspot numbers versus the three predicted values, NASA and NOAA's being the red one. NASA and NOAA, oddly enough, said that they didn't think we'd get above 90 this solar cycle, and we're already above 100, more than a year out from solar maximum. Taking a quick look at what the sun's doing right now, we do have that beta gamma spot, and all of the other spots, many of which were labeled alpha yesterday, are now labeled beta, slightly more complex magnetism, capable of producing space weather. Up on the top right, you see that first magnetic filament that we were watching at, pretty much all but gone. And we have the second one here in the Earth-facing position with the beta gamma spot just below it. And you can see it's really starting to get active right now. Over to the left, turning the northeastern limb, we see a small coronal mass ejection and a solar flare come out of that. But it's really beginning to be unstable, and it is facing Earth, so let's watch it. NASA put out this article about what could have possibly turned Mars hostile. Now, we're not going to ruin this article for you, but they talk a lot about could there have been life there, and if so, could it have gone underground and maybe still be there? We won't ruin it. We'll let you guys read that one. Same thing here about these extraterrestrial sprites, as they're called. Basically, it's about the role of electricity, more specifically lightning, in creating the primordial soup or just life elsewhere. Last but not least, these sanctions that we've put on Iran, as they have accurately portrayed, are not going to do anything. Russia and China are still trading with them. They're still going to remain strong and do whatever they feel like doing. So that's what it is, folks. Be safe.